Hi guys, welcome to another tip day on how to look good on social media. My name is social media boss lady, well, Ruth, but everyone knows me as social media boss lady, and today is another tip on how to look good on social media. Now today's tip is leverage tools and resources. So what I mean by that is that designing compelling images for your next social media campaign would be a lot easier for you if you know the right tools and the right resources to work with. And you could use simple tools, nothing complex, nothing complicated, simple tools like Canva. I mean, they're the complex ones and the robust ones, but to get started, which basically doesn't require any mastership in, is Canva. And so if you're looking for a step-by-step tutorial or step-by-step resources or classes on how to get comfortable with Canva, and how to be well on your way to creating images for your next social media post, hop onto the Instagram handle, or also this Instagram handle, Ivan Digital, that's IVENDIGITAL, and send them a DM and find out when the next WhatsApp classes are, or classes on design. And trust me, you will not regret ever doing that. So final tip, well, final tip really, but final word for today is leverage your tools and resources. So make sure you subscribe to my IGTV channel, and then I will see you guys tomorrow on another tip on how to look good on social media. Do not forget to subscribe to my TV channel. All right, take care guys. Bye.